Hello guys, and welcome back to another one of our videos where we have been expanding our small farm or a small livestock farm. In this video we are going to be showing you, or rather introducing, the new additions to the farm, Mary and Bella. There are two new goats that we recently got, and we have just been working on them, seeing how much they can grow, how big they will get, so that they can really transform. Again.
You terrible bad man, eh?
You must sit sitting over there when you want to eat.
Over there. You see white one look good. It's all they shine. Alright. We can't pull the around from them still.
Then you can't breed nobody at 3 months.
We breed it and there. But you're not supposed to do that yet. When I'm at 6 or 7 months.
You ball like him a sing.
Like him a teach Sampson.
You love that one, yeah. The black face.
I split balls. Cedric got you know. Cedric. Look on him balls. Cedric man. Sampson balls not split.
Sure.
Look on Cedric balls when he come. Big old split in between there.
But you can like every goat have split balls.
Look on Cedric one compared to him.
They say have something with the kid them like you make the kid bigger.
You make your kid and what?
Bigger.
When they have split balls?
No, we want them to split.
Lone split balls that. You know, walk wide. You don't want grass feed. Shamshu. Shamshu.
A big breed said there.
Him father breed run down. Him father breed run down.
I know a new Ben.
Yeah, he mix up with new Ben, but it's my way have him. Like he breed run down, mix up, then one another. And I come and breed me goat, you know.
You can build up back on him, look like a fat kid.
Everywhere you go, Sampson for life.
Sampson get big still, you know.
Yeah, he get big man.
More
Thick.
powerful.
Yeah, grass on the cut of it.
Have a change. Have a change. You give them a
What's
grass
over
now?
there?
Cut you.
Oh.
Then garden back in my pen.
Oh, you have to cut up.
A Cedric friend, you know. Man, Cedric are best of friends.
Anyway, Cedric there.
And this is Sampson there. Sampson thick compared to them, for real. Look for Sampson compared to them. I turn up here in the back too. Oh yeah, Cedric. I try turn up here in a theme back. If I did ever dirty Blackie, see dirty Blackie hits them up in a corner. Of course, you think Blackie easy? If he come, first thing when him come out, first thing Blackie do, I buck him. Hit him up in a corner and buck him.
In a while.
It ain't then a while and get tame.
But me no love Cedric say anyway Cedric there then I must try to then dirty man.
Like me no wonder if them look like him
I pen one clean. But me clean the pen when I piss on the board.
no plek.
I make it nasty. Trace area na for.
Look good enough.
Me no make no pen chaka so I piss me neck back.
Bella no make nothing food. No. Mary no make no food party. They look good.
Cedric shit up in this. Cedric eating there, fish it in there. You want to climb up there.
Not a sound. Leave us see him. Watch out. My fully see him belly. You must see him though. Him see him belly. Fencing me just gonna check on them. I two in shock, so it will come for him. I think of that. But yeah, so the bush has grown a lot since the rain. This morning we took Bella and Mary over here and we're just going to check on their state. Why? But I'm too good at Canadian, especially Mary. Michael, you rest? Yeah. So I'm looking for them. I see Bella hiding in the bush. So I have to walk all the way down there for you to see her. But I don't see Mary. I'm going to have to see if I can get a little closer to see if I can find Mary. But there are a lot of stones, so nice little place to them. Oof. So here is Bella. Belly's full. Look at that. Still not tame. Oh, Mary is there as Mary is there as well. Belly full too. But them not up. So there is Mary. Hiding in the bush. Get a good rub off him today. Before we go. But I think they tie too close. So they're not up. But both of them always at it. So a good thing come over here. There they are. On their day out. Small but going on quite nicely. Michael, say hi. I don't know if you can see Michael way over yonder. Maybe I'll record him after I pull them out. So I just pulled them out, but as you can see, they aren't tame at all. Have them for quite a while. See, Mary, not up in foot, and Bella up there. Took some nice pictures. He's so coward. Not doing nothing but him just freak out. I don't know why they're so coward. Get up. Them alright. I'm just very coward. Go on. Get up. Get up. See there. I'm coward. Bad. Make me wonder if they used to get beaten or not. Because they're too coward, man. And this is Michael. Michael is a sweetheart. He's so damn stubborn. Would have never near me grass. Just not up himself unless somebody turn up over here with him. Right, Mikey Dugu? Everybody else is very tame. Watch him and follow me. But Mary and Bella, wild like hell. See? In love company. Michael, eat some food, man. Your belly look too flat. Look one for them gut. And until your belly then get again a gut. And belly full out.